that's a question I cannot answer all day. But in summary, I think he has done a lot to deserve this. Basically, some might look at it from a political angle. Basically, year in year out, we've always had the opportunity for him to be celebrated this way. But he has always wanted to turn it down. Because looking at it that he is doing what he is meant to do. But over time and due to pressure left and right, and basically realize that to encourage those who organize the award as well. That's why this award was actually wholeheartedly accepted, And basically, we would have also loved to be around today, but he's presently at the office in Abuja National Assembly. Today is his birthday, but it's a man that always wants to be there, his work and all that, which is the primary aim of being a representative. So it's a worthy, it's worth it, and it's a worthy, worthy award for me. So basically, I can only say, it's also a privilege for me to stand here to represent him. It's iconic being a man of the year out in the whole division. Majorly you don't see people often coming around to have such being decorated with such award if you have not performed exceptionally. So that I can testify to. Like I said earlier, I said the persistent and tenacity of the purpose will always bring the ultimate desire. Just like the word of Abraham Lincoln, I would say, let them continue to put in the best. Let them continue to be a good ambassador of the best. Let us always know that our best is what we always do at all times, and that we should consider the progress of the community force ahead very, very important in nurturing and pushing for our own personal goal. We should consider the overall development of Epe as a whole. And I think with that, Epe will be much more positioned in the map of not just Nigeria, the whole of Africa in a very better way.